Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Hyundai Elantra. I'm going to show you how to do a third brake light job. The way we're going to do it is from inside the trunk. Here we go. So right inside your trunk, there's this right here. All you're going to do is grab it, twist it counterclockwise, pull it down. Here's our third brake light bulb. You can look right on it. It says it's a 921. Just happen to have one in my hand. We're going to install it. Twist. See if I can get it back up in the hole. There we are. My finger out of there. Let's keep turning to the right until it feels like it's nice and locked in. Give it a little tug. That feels great. Now we can test it. All right, let's give it a try. Hopefully it'll look good to go. Awesome.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.